Hello everybody, my name is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International. Today I'm offering you this 2015 Dodge Charger 392 Hemi SRT model. It is in beautiful shape, white exterior, red and black suede leather interior, black wheels, and lots of upgrades. This vehicle has 72,000 miles. It is one of the performance editions, one of the upgraded trim levels on the Charger from Dodge. As I said, this is the SRT 392, 485 horsepower. My phone number is 954-258-2700. Again, my name is Brett. We have this car listed locally and as well as online, on auctions online as well. If you're very interested in this car, please don't wait to the end of one of our auctions. Please call me right now. We do end our auctions early for buyers. Shipping is available anywhere to your doorstep. I can provide you with a quote within just a few minutes if you call or text me. 954-258-2700. Let's open her up the inside, show you guys what's going on in here. Wow! I love this interior. Really, really, really nice condition. Sunroof. Let's go over some of the features. We've got power memory seats. Let's get in here. This car has lots of driver features as well, such as the lane departure avoidance, as well as the front end collision avoidance, as in if you're driving down the road and you're about to rear end someone, the car will actually brake for you if you have that mode engaged. Let's see here. On the screen we obviously have navigation, we've got backup cam, we've got SRT performance options. In here you can kind of adjust the vehicle's specs based on your taste. The suspension and the steering and the way the transmission shifts can all kind of be adjusted to your liking. If you like it to be a little more aggressive or a little more comfortable, a little more economical, based on your taste you can kind of do some adjustments here and then leave them in set. It's real nice. Also, this vehicle has equipped ventilated seats as well as heated seats. Let's keep going. I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood now so I can show you that here in a sec. Rear seats look like they've never been sat on. Got some USB plugs in the back. Let that focus. That's always nice. Everything's in good shape. Real nice. Let's go around to the other side. Everything looking good. All the wheels are in real nice shape too, by the way. I don't see any marks on any of the wheels. Passenger side, really, really nice shape. Hemi, 485 horsepower. This car is a blast to drive. It sounds mean, feels great. It's got performance suspension, computerized suspension, helps with anti-roll stabilization and steering performance on the road. It's incredible. If you're interested in this car, call me right now, 954-258-2700. Again, my name is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International. And let's give you one little ramp. guys, thanks very much. Please call me or we can do a live video if you'd like some more information or more pictures of anything you see here today. Appreciate the opportunity to service your needs. Thank you.